Hello friends, this is JFlores. This is Tuesday. It's a beautiful afternoon here in California. I just wanted to make a live analysis of the Bitcoin. I was predicting on Sunday. Let's see if I can get it here. On Sunday, I was pretty much predicting that the Bitcoin was going to start dropping from this point. Or, well, not a magician, but according to price action and trend lines and other issues that we're looking at, there's a big probability that the Bitcoin we're going to start dropping, and it started dropping already. So I'm just going to do a analysis from the biggest time frame to kind of lower time frames. I'm going to get rid of all the lines and everything here. Let's go to the daily. That's more. Oh, we can see the weekly if you like. Obviously, this is a long time ago, or years ago, pretty much. Weekly analysis is very much telling us now we have an extension, a retracement extension, retracement right here, and it kind of did like a pattern there. It's important to see the patterns, you know. I'm not saying the patterns work all the time, but let me get rid of at least of the Bollinger Bands. I'm not going to use arrows here. See, I'm sorry about this. Just be patient with me. I'm just going to give it small. Just, to market depth move. Does moves like that sometimes. Okay, a lot of people say that when the market does equal measure moves, like from here to here, pretty much. And normally, a lot of times, and I've seen it too, that the market just repeats extensions like that. Maybe here, so we're expecting market to sometime, maybe, I don't know, could be years, go to 80,000. Could be months. We'll see. Anyways, let me get rid of everything again. So that's the weekly view. Obviously, in the weekly view, we're having, if I go by price action, we have a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, and then higher high, lower high, and a higher high. That's where we are right now. So we're in the weekly, we're considering all this moving retracement. Let's go to daily. Let's analyze that retracement from the weekly. And on the daily, we have our lower low, lower high, and then a lower low right there. Okay. And also, since we can identify a trend line right there. Okay. Get rid of everything again. So the way I analyze the markets, I have some parameters that I go just to give me a good idea. Do I consider this a broke structure or a break of structure right here? No, because it needs to be a solid candle breaking below this line, and we don't have a solid candle or a red candle below that line here, but we do have it. Here. So there's a break structure right here. So my last high, it was that right there, the previous higher high, anyways. Or higher low in this case. That was that right there. So my real trend line, if we follow the rules that we have, it's right there pretty much. I don't really repeat it. Why is the trend line here and not here? Because this is the last high before the break of the structure. So that's my trend line. So I put that trend line last week. And I also saw in the daily that the Bollinger Band It's only in the middle. So in my way to see this is obviously reacting to that trend line, but this, in my point of view, is just a retracement. I would like to see in the daily to go even higher, maybe to 67, 66, could go all the way to 69, and then if this is the end of the retracement, it will just start breaking structure in the way up. So that's where we are in the daily. Let's look at the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, we did have a sort of a trend line break right there. I'm sorry, Bollinger Band upper line stabbing right there. That one closed above them, and we also have this divergence in this area right there compared to the RSI, and we have a strong trend line right there, and it's respecting that trend line. So let's go to the 1 hour now. That's why I said this week probably we're expecting the market to drop during the week pretty much. So what I'm expecting in the next few hours from now is for the Bitcoin to go lower, to create anyways, if the Bitcoin gives me a divergence in the 1 hour, meaning going low, and then I will look at the 4 hour, and maybe that RSI will be oversold with a 1 hour divergence, and it gives me a confirmation candle green after that divergence. We'll probably buy the Bitcoin anywhere in this area right here. It could be, if I look at this extension line now, if I divide that in half, 50% is about here, so that'll be a good point for the market to react. Also, we can probably find a buy. We're going to be looking for that. So waiting for a divergence in the 1 hour. Let's look at the 15 minutes. So it looks like we have a smaller divergence in the 15 minute. I'll probably go high in the next hours or so, and then I'm expecting the market to give me a divergence in the 1 hour. You know, I'm expecting it. If it does or not, it doesn't matter. It's a game of probabilities. So I just wanted to make this quick analysis. Hope you understand. I know I'm speaking very quick about this, or talking very quick because I'm looking at different stuff. I hope you understand. If you like this analysis, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you haven't signed up for this channel, all I'm trying to do is just help people, and it helps me to do my analysis more seriously when I know that I got some audience listening to me. So that's all I'm trying to do. Well, thank you very much, friends. God bless you. Don't give up in your trading. It's a good investment to do. It gives you a lot of freedom and time freedom, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. God bless you all. Thank you so much.